Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how I am creating YouTube shorts for my different YouTube channels. And by using this method you will be able to create YouTube shorts from all YouTube videos or any other platform videos which are out there. And I will show you how it is done. But first I will show you the examples. If you come into my channel, you go into the shorts, you can see this is the shorts which I also created already by using this method which I'm doing. And you can create multiple shorts. You can create tens or for example hundreds of shorts every single day by using this method. This method is free for the beginning, and this method also is paid when you are, for example, want to create for multiple channels like I am doing it. As I run multiple channels, and all these shorts which you can see here, they are created exactly by this method which I will show you. And I am using AI technology, Opus Clips, and this really works. I will show you around, I will explain you how it works and how much does it cost if you are going to use a paid version. However, you can use it absolutely for free. But first let's go into the pricing. Like I said, here as you can see, this is currently yearly. Let's set it to monthly, and me myself currently I'm using 2 packs, and I have enough it for about 4 channels because I run 4 channels for different shorts. And here in TechWolf this is just one, but I have other channels where I'm running only shorts without any other things, guys. But here this costs me $38 a month, and I believe that this is very cheap. And if you are interested, and if you are interested to get the best price, I will leave a link to in description and in first comment of this video. Go in, guys, and buy it, and you can save by using my link. Starter for individual creators, you will get 150 processing minutes per month. This means that you were able to create 150 minutes, but those are 150 minutes which you are uploading. Here is free plan. Like I mentioned, you can start using for absolutely free. Just go into Opus Clips, start using it, log in, guys, and you have 60 processing minutes per month. But like I'm always showing you in my videos, I'm sharing with you only softwares which I have been using and which I'm using for myself, and this is one of which I'm using myself. And as you see, for me it is enough 600 processing minutes, and I run about 3 channels on these 600 minutes, and it is more than enough. Here if we go into the Opus Pro, once you will create your account, here this is how it will look from inside. Here is short which I already created just recently, you can check this. And this is created by IE from a video on YouTube. So how does this work? You go on YouTube, we can go in my videos, for example, we can grab any video which I want, and I can get link from this video, and then we go back into Opus Clips. You click on this logo, here you drop this link. As you see, you can drop a YouTube link, you can drop a Rumble link or Zoom link, and many other platform links paste here, and Opus Clips will find this video. Here are different themes. I usually use this preset template theme because it works perfectly for me. And here is processing time frame, where you can, if you wouldn't want to download from this video first minutes, then you would just scroll down until here is the minute. So this Opus Clips software would process this video only starting from 1 minute. This means that less of your minutes. As you see, I'm using this essential plan, and I have still 2 hours 58 minutes processing time left. And like I showed you here, guys, for each video I can, for example, crop it if I don't want the first minute to be processed, or for example any of the last minutes which I wouldn't want to be processed, but only some particular part from that video, guys. Then this is what I would do. And then you can select how long you would want them. If you would want your shorts to be created only up to 30 seconds, then you would click this. If you want 30 to 60 seconds, this is what I am usually selecting, guys, because you get more watch time on your YouTube videos when you are selecting bigger time, but the maximum time on YouTube shorts is 60 seconds or 1 minute. And here is also topic filter, which I never use, guys, and once you are done you just click here on get clips or get in one clip, and it will start fetching and creating clips from your video. And this is currently creating the clips from my video. And as you can see here, guys, you can safely leave this page. We'll send you an email notification when it's done. done. And then you can go back. You can see the 12 minutes left until this will be processed. I will get back when it will be processed and show you what it did with this 4-minute long video. And here we go, guys. Processing has been done. This is what it created, and
Now
we can
let's
watch
dive into
this
the
short.
step-by-step guide to quit smoking. The first step in this journey is setting a quit date. This isn't just any random day. It's your day. You. Next, it's
So you get the idea. It pretty much created a short out of this video, guys, because it was very short video. But if that video would be, let's say, 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it could create up to 4 or 5 shorts, and it is done fully automatically on AI, or artificial intelligence is doing it fully automatic. And your next question, as you can see already here, I have some shorts which have been created, for example, from movies, from movie scenes. I also have YouTube channels where I'm running that, and in one of my next videos, by the way, I will create a video and I will show you how much I'm earning. But in general, guys, this already has been paid back on in the shorts which I'm running on my different channels. Only for these 2-pack plan, it is more than enough 2 packs whenever I'm buying. As I showed you also here in pricing, guys, I'm buying 2 packs. It costs me $38, and it is more than enough to run 3 to 4 channels easily. And you will have plenty of time here for processing time if you will be doing this. And you might ask a question, for example, whether YouTube allows these types of shorts. So my answer is yes. And if you are interested how much I'm making from these shorts, I will make a next video. If you are interested, subscribe and keep tuned, guys. So yes, if you are interested in these Opus clips, like I mentioned, in discounted prices, my referral link will be in description. Go in and check this out. But in general, this is the best software out there. There is no other better software. I did a huge research, guys, and this is the best and the cheapest out there. So yes, hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.